Hey crew, welcome to Denver. Today I'm out hiking Red Rocks, which is a super easy Uber from downtown Denver. So if you're here on a quick layover or a long layover, you can come out, hike around, and get some pretty epic shots. I'm already out of breath. Let's go. Okay, see that meadow I just went through? Don't do that. You gotta stay on the trail or you too will have a nice chat with the park ranger. It's okay, he let me off with a warning. It has started to rain, but I really wanted to get on the stage. I don't know if you can do it or not. I already got in trouble once. Try not to do that again. But I've seen so many great shows here. I thought it'd be cool to stand where all the legends have stood. So you can't go on the stage, but that's okay. This is cool. This is a great hike. If you're in Denver, head out here. It's super easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you next week.